Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Corector Instant Posture Corrector. But before we do that, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process, so link is in the description down below for you to check out. And with that out of the way, let's do the review. So as you can see, we have it opened up here on Amazon, and see they're rated 3.7 out of 5 stars. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically just brace to help you with your back pain or your back posture to help you get a straighter back. And let's read some reviews here. But before that, let's read about this item. Ultimate Posture Corrector, adjustable and comfortable, dual action support, easy to use. Corector teams are focused on your shopping experience. Please contact us with any questions or concerns and we will be happy to assist you. So after that, let's read the reviews here. So absolutely love this product. Incredible back and shoulder support. Do not buy this, falls apart. So maybe he or she abused it. So after 6 months of side support poking, had to remove them to wear, and the bottom of the back support curled under, very uncomfortable to wear. Do not buy. As you can see, it's sticking out, and this may cause very discomfort for you. Straps are bulky. Works like a champ. Amazing. Not worth. So it is basically just depending on your body type. So if this really suits you, this could be a really good product. However, if it doesn't suit you well, this may not be the right product for you. And that is it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.